Since COVID began, various conspiracy theories came to the fore. People were quick to form many theories about what caused the virus to spread so rapidly. The theory that took the people by surprise the most was the notion that Microsoft founder Bill Gates was the mastermind behind the coronavirus. The Microsoft co-founder has finally broken his silence on the circulating theories and the allegations against him. Talking about the same, Bill Gates said that he himself was surprised by some COVID-19 conspiracy theories about him and thinks that people were looking for a boogeyman. Talking to a journalist during an interview with BBC, Bill Gates said, "During the pandemic, there were tens of millions of messages that I intentionally caused it or I'm tracking people. It is true I'm involved with vaccines, but I'm involved with vaccines to save lives. I guess people are looking for the boogeyman behind this curtain." The oversimplistic explanation. Malevolence is a lot easier to understand than biology, he added. Several COVID-19 conspiracy theories have surrounded Gates in recent years. Some suggest that he profited from the virus, while others blame its entire existence on Gates. He has said previously that he has faced public harassment with people yelling at him for putting chips into people. Gates has also joked that he was more often the target of conspiracy theories than Anthony Fauci, former chief medical advisor to the President of the United States, because he is more known internationally. Back in 2015, Gates had issued a warning about an infectious virus that could kill over 10 million people. If anything kills over 10 million people over the next few decades, it is likely to be a highly infectious virus rather than war, he had said during a TEDx conference. However, when things happened, as per Gates' prediction, people were quick to target him for the virus. The Microsoft co-founder has been a public supporter of vaccine efforts, pouring billions into researching, developing, and delivering vaccines through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Gates was also one of the co-founders of the Giving Pledge, a promise by some of the world's wealthiest individuals to give away most of their wealth. Representatives for the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation did not reply to insiders' request for comment made outside normal working hours.